Okay, so you see this big long line, so we're going to be talking all about this COVID in Macau right now. This is one of the centers, so we're going to do this center first. Let's see which we'll stay right tuned and we'll go check it all out. Let's go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. So this is one of the centers today. Let's just kind of check it out. There's lines that go all the way down that way. There's lines that go all the way down that way as well. Let's see, so this is at the Diocese of San Jose. So it looks like only some people can come and go, and they've probably been waiting here all day. So let's just kind of see how long these lines are. Yeah, basically what happened was, yeah, the lines are way down that way. Looks like they go all the way down that way and all the way down this other way too. Just kind of go down a little bit. So yeah, what happened was yesterday there was 4 cases of COVID from a whole family. The youngest being a young student. Oh man, look at all those lines that go way down there. So there's a young student who was went to Xi'an, China, and just a little reference, China is completely open with Macau, so Macau is closed to all foreigners, so no foreigner can come into Macau. It's been that way for about a year and a half, but mainland Chinese can. So there's been up to 30,000 tourists a day all from mainland China, so 4 of them came back with COVID. So one of them went to Xi'an with a student trip, and that was like 7 or 8, 9 days ago. So now all of Macau has to do testing from those cases from the Delta variation from Xi'an, China. So all these people are waiting in line because we all have to make sure that we are tested and that we are COVID free, because of the Delta, and the family had contracted it 8 or 9 days ago. So yeah, these lines are long. So it looks like it went all the way down that way as well, and then we're gonna just kind of see how far down it goes. This is on Rua do Seminario. Yeah, this is a long line. I don't know how long, but so basically all these centers, there's 42 of them, I believe. 42 neighborhood centers, and I think there's a number of them that are like other large places like the hospitals and things like this. So this is, I believe, a neighborhood one, and there are going to be doing swab tests and nose tests and throat tests for the next 72 hours. So I think we're kind of expecting that there's probably a lot more Delta spread than what we see so far. Oh, dang, that line is long. So that goes all the way up to that yellow church there, and all these people are still in line. And then this is basically going to be the whole city for a while. Some kind of cool little side street alleys and things like that around here. So all of these people are walking down Rua de Seminario, and yeah, let's see what happens. It's kind of a cool shot right there with that guy. So yeah, this is basically it keeps on going and going and going. So the whole city is going to be tested for COVID, nose test, swab test. I can't believe how long this line is. Yeah, I saw some other really long lines. I've only seen a couple centers. People are trying to stay inside, myself included. And it looks like that might be the end of the line over here. That's the good news. Look how beautiful the streets are of Macau. I like that a lot. So this is actually the end of this one right here. So that's actually good that it's like that. So we're gonna head back to the front just to give you some context of how long this is. But yeah, those 4 cases from Xi'an, China. It's been kind of interesting because I think for a lot of people we assume that this is the case. No foreigners have been allowed to come in, but 30,000 mainland Chinese tourists come in every day for the last few months, right? And there's Delta going around, and there's cases in Guangzhou and China, or I mean in everywhere. So this case came in from Xi'an. So, okay. So yeah, so today, the next 2 days is going to be all testing. Yeah, actually it's a pretty long line. So we're just going to go all the way back up to the front again. You get to also see Rua do Seminario Street. So maybe that's interesting. Then we might go down the other side and see how long that line goes as well. So yeah, so Macau, I also heard the city of Wuhan is also having massive testing as well. So this isn't the only place. And then the Delta variation in particular, I heard is pretty rapidly spreading. So I don't know, let's see what happens. We're kind of up near the top again. You also get to see a little bit of so yeah, now we're gonna come around and come back. Dang, amazing. Yeah, I kind of thought it was inevitable. I think a lot of people thought it was inevitable when the you can't go to Hong Kong, but mainland China's been open for so long and it's that many tourists every day. So we'll see what happens. I think some people just kind of wish that maybe they would follow the Singapore model. Just make sure people vaccinate and then try to just, you know, live with it. And you got more all the way down there too. But for now, Macau and Hong Kong, especially Macau, we've had a really strong containment policy where it's just we just haven't had any cases in like 15 or 16 months. So okay, looks like the policeman is here. So the policeman is probably telling people that you can stay in this line for now, but then you have to go the other way. So that's probably why this one is so much shorter than that one. And that, yeah, he's kind of managing that. So okay, that's a little bit of what's going on in Macau, and this is one of the testing centers right here. And for a little bit of history for you, here's the St. Lawrence's Church right here to the left. There's this diocese. So yeah, there you go, St. Lawrence's Church, 1640, one of the oldest churches in Macau. So we're down in that area. And we're gonna end this one right there. Maybe we'll show you a little bit of St. Lawrence's before we go. And that's all those long lines there. Usually on this channel, usually what I'm doing is walking around Macau, so we'll walk around a little bit and just kind of show you one of the testing centers and how long the lines were. And this should be like this for the next 72 days for 24 hours. So and right now it's probably at a better, it's like 4 p.m. so people haven't got to work yet, but they've probably been there since afternoon. And there's beginning of St. Lawrence's Church in here. So you can see that up there. Okay. Hope you like that one.